Good morning and welcome back to another daily market outlook video where I'm going to discuss with you all the major dollar pairs and gold. Also, if you have been watching the videos regularly, consider subscribing to the channel and follow my journey as I break down these pairs every single day of the week. Alright, let's get right into the DXY. What we can see that happened yesterday is that we on the 4 hour traded a little bit down lower, grabbing a lot of the liquidity underneath here. Then we had a 4 hour change of character. Either two scenarios were possible in my opinion, that we come back in towards this supply zone, then show a change of character and then continuation in towards the downside, or at the other end of the spectrum we can just be continuing the order flow up higher from here. But if we look at it like real mechanically, then we're just in this range over here, just moving sideways and not a lot is happening. On the other hand, this massive spike and wick that pushed us into the supply zone then retraced a little bit back on us. If we can now break the fractal high over here, then our fractal low is situated over, let's see here, and then we can get a change of character with possibly a entry on DXY shorts here. But as of now, it's still a little bit undecisive and we're just ranging, and honestly, I really want to wait for a breakout in either one of the directions. Not a lot of clarity for DXY as of now. If we then look at EURUSD this morning, then yesterday what I wanted to do was wait for price to push up higher and then a retracement to continue EU up higher towards this liquidity high over here. But as of now, what you can see is that we trade down lower. What can happen together with the DXY, of course, is that we push down lower, then a clear break, V-shaped reversal in towards the highs, retracement, and then continuation up higher, or we just continue down lower towards these liquidity lows that are still situated over there. Also, what we did do is in this last move, we tapped the 0.5 and then we started to break structure in towards the downside once again. This demand zone does still hold up, but once again, not a lot of clarity, and I rather stay out right now. If we then look at GU, then GU on the 4 hour time frame is also just consolidative, ranging inside this, between this fractal high and this fractal low. On the 1 hour, also really consolidative, not much happening. Yeah, I can't really make anything out of this. There are no positions to be taken. I'm not going to look further into lower time frames to maybe see a position. There's just nothing there. If we then look at NZDUSD, then yesterday I saw that we tapped the open demand zone, and this first reaction was not enough for me. So on the 1 hour, you can see we started to consolidate a little bit, and I wanted to see that low get swiped and then a reaction in towards the upside. As of now, yes, we did push down lower, but I need some real bullish structure to come into the markets in order to push this up higher. And as of now, I don't really see that happening just yet. Still, there is a lot of liquidity open underneath these lows here that we can grab, and there is a demand zone open here, so it wouldn't even be weird if we just start to push down lower and then see some confirmation. Maybe some shorts to be taken here, but as of now we're still trading bullish, and I don't want to get into shorts just yet without the confirmation. Maybe if we can break this over here, then a pullback and then some continuation shorts, but currently nothing there to do just yet. If we then look at AUDUSD, AUDUSD is also pretty consolidative over here, just sideways price action. If we look at this last swing structure on the 4 hour, we did now retrace above the 0.5 and we had a breakdown. Then we came back, but once again, a little bit consolidative price action once again over here. Let me see. So this one took out all the liquidity. yeah, even above this high and then a breakdown. We did swipe some highs, but not a lot of like clear price action here, indicating to me that this is now a safe high to trade from, or this is now a safe high to trade from. So I don't know. There is possible downside. If we look at the daily time frame, then we can trade towards all these lows to swipe these lows one more time. But there is not like a lot of clear price action, in my opinion, ready to get into positions. Yes, I wanted to see it go down lower, but then there is no place where I can safely put my stop loss with a lot of confidence. So need to wait for price to give us some more clear price action first. If we then look at USD I was waiting for a position after taking out this low over here, the liquidity low, but we didn't retrace all the way back. We did take out all of this liquidity that was situated here, and then we had a break up once again. If we now can retrace down lower and then show us a change of character over here, then I am really happy to put my buy stop over here with stop loss underneath this low and then a 1 to 2 risk to reward. But yeah, we're going to have to wait in order for that to happen first. And maybe we don't get it. If we trade towards this level, I have my alert set and I will be monitoring this price action actively. Then on USDJPY, once again, what you can see is that we started to trade up higher. Yesterday, I was looking maybe at a 1 hour position to scale into this order flow. Now we did grab some liquidity underneath these lows. Preferably, I would see this liquidity get taken and then a new push in towards the highs. But then once again, we are trading near the 160 level. And yeah, they are likely going to intervene with this pair. So maybe even some possible shorts are on the table to push this down lower as happened over here. So be careful with some new longs, and maybe a possible short position like this can be an interesting thing. Then we have USDCHF. If we look at the 4 hour, then you can see that yesterday we pushed up higher. I was looking for maybe a sell position from somewhere around here, but we just continued up higher anyway. If we then look at the 1 hour, then there is not a lot of positions to be taken over here. Just continue down lower and back up again. We're going to take out these highs probably together with all this liquidity that's still situated over here, and then there is still liquidity situated over here. But yeah, there is not like a real position to be taken for me, as it didn't give any confirmation to get into some longs or shorts in the recent period. What did happen is just like consolidative sideways price action. We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up. Yeah, not a lot of trending markets to be trading over there. If we then look at gold, then gold continued down lower. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm expecting of gold as of now. I do think it can go a little bit lower still, maybe take out this low. And yeah, once again, waiting for bullish price action to come into the markets and eventually long the shit out of gold once again, but it's not just ready yet. Also, silver is just consolidative. On the 4 hour, we did break 4 hour fractal bullish, then we broke bearish again, also up, down. Not a lot of momentum in the markets, and I'm going to wait until that returns. Only really clear structure that came is copper. Copper now broke the swing structure in towards the upside. So what you can then say is that this is your 4 hour swing structure. Then this is your last push in towards the highs. You want to see a retracement towards at least this liquidity and then a change of character like this. or what you want to see is a retracement towards the 0.5 and then take out this liquidity, then see a change of character and then some continuation longs. That's the only clear trending market that we have on the metals. And if you only trade the USD pairs, then of course there's not a lot to do there. That's already pretty much it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. I wish you all an amazing trading day and trading week. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.